We begin by cleaning the tank, then add the substrate and carefully arrange the driftwood to mimic a flooded riverbank, finishing with leaf litter.
Step into the heart of the Amazon rainforest as we recreate its mysterious waterways inside an aquarium. The Amazon River biotope is more than just a tank, it's a living slice of South America's aquatic wilderness. In this cinematic point-of-view build, every detail is designed to mirror nature. Tangled roots and branches form intricate shelters, while layers of leaf litter and driftwood release tannins that tint the water a warm, tea-colored hue. This creates the soft, acidic conditions that Amazonian fish thrive in. You'll see realistic behaviors from species like tetras, corridoras, and dwarf cichlids as they explore their naturalistic environment. The continuity of the room, lighting, and atmosphere ensures a seamless cinematic experience, immersing you in the rainforest from start to finish. This biotope style emphasizes authenticity, capturing the raw, untamed beauty of the Amazon River and bringing it into your home. It's not just aquascaping, it's storytelling through water, wood, and life. Please don't forget to subscribe, turn on notifications, comment, and share the video.